Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the circuit is safe and the tester is configured. Turn off the breaker, but leave the device accessible. This prevents surprises. Once done, select continuity or voltage mode on the circuit alert tester and inspect leads for cuts or corrosion. Make sure the black lead is on common and the red is the probe. Press the probe to the expected hot point briefly to verify the tester wakes. This first check establishes a baseline and prevents false readings later. Next, you measure each conductor in sequence so you understand what the tester reports. Probe the hot, then neutral, then ground, record the voltage values. If you see low or fluctuating voltages, consider ghost voltage, load the circuit briefly, or use a low impedance mode to confirm. Use continuity mode across switches, fuses, and connections to verify closures. A steady beep means good continuity. Make sure to move slowly and recheck suspect points. Accurate interpretation. Finally, complete the test by removing probes in the reverse order you applied them and restoring power only after verifying safe connections. If expected readings are absent, first swap to a known good outlet or test battery condition. Many issues stem from dead tester batteries or poor contacts. If readings are inconsistent, tighten terminals and retest. A persistent problem indicates a wiring fault. Make sure to label any identified bad component and log values. Clear documentation speeds the actual repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.